Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I fixing to start editing a video for you guys, and I realized that I didn't have an intro on what I've done to the car. So my car finally is running. Have not died on it yet. I have to take it to the dyno. I've street tuned it myself. It's currently on a FieldTech FT550 and it's running around 11 pounds of boost safely. I've successfully finished the car, and the clutch started slipping really bad at 5 pounds of boost only, so I ended up getting a competition clutch. For you guys that follow me on Instagram, seeing that I posted, I got a competition clutch. I've had a brand new flywheel, factory OEM flywheel, and I installed those. I am currently working on a track bar for the car because I took it to the track last week, and literally out of the first pass a wheel hopped and he shattered the axle. The axles were already hurt. I mean, really hurt. So I knew it was gonna happen, but I was just hoping to make at least one pass, but did not last it one pass. So you can see in the video I'm gonna be posting several clips that I've taken of ride-alongs, and so on. So I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned, because as soon as I go back to work on the car, I will be taking it to the track and see how the car performs, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. I'll see ya. And today's Wednesday. I'm gonna give it a shot and see what the Corolla does. So I brought my helper. So we're gonna see what the Corolla does. And so we have made it to Orlando Speed World. So see what happens.
Come back out another time, you gotta get that fixed.
All right, I sure will.